We're now going to look at basically a way that we can customize application software through using the tools within the application software itself. Now, we have experimented with this before in Excel when accessing the options tool to change what actual tabs appear here at the top. We're going to go to that same location again here today to show what other options we can change in order to customize the application software. So let's go for it. So we go File and we go down to Options here. And when we go to options, basically we've got a whole bunch of different categories that allow us to modify the software in different ways. So let's have a look through them. So basically on this first general option, we have user interface options, when creating workbooks, what happens, what's the font size, and what's the standard fonts for when we do that. We can look at our formulas options. Okay, so basically, do formulas start automatically? When we do formulas, what actual tools are working? There's an autocomplete, as you can see. Error checking with formulas and how we indicate that there's an error, and we can change what colors involved there. Proofing, okay, which is basically checking the actual autocorrect, are things written correctly, and sometimes auto finishing what's being written. Options for saving, and obviously when we want to be safe, we usually set an auto save to be on. As you can see, it says there's the auto save option there, and auto recover file location, and that's obviously mapped to a directory on my system, okay, when I need to revert and get data back there. Okay, so obviously a lot of really crucial tools here for my application software in relation to saving things automatically, but also retrieving those files too. We have language options, and obviously I'm Australian, so I want my English to be in the version of Australia, but I can also check out and assign other language options too. And then some advanced features too, and this can relate to when I click and pressing certain buttons, what's actually going to happen with copy and pasting. Okay, how can that be done? Do I show the little shortcuts that are available? Okay, and a whole range of other things there. One of the other things too that you can probably see is when an actual image gets inserted, does it come in at its full size, or does it come in at a compression level that lowers the file size of my workbook because the image has been compressed? We have our ribbon options. Okay, so the things that appear on my toolbars, I can choose what buttons I want to appear there, okay, as my commands on my ribbon. Okay, and then also my quick access toolbar, what comes up there. Okay, and we can choose between them. And then also what actual tabs are available, and that's where we had the option for our developer tab, which I can switch on and off, okay, which I obviously need when I wanted to make macros in the previous unit. So a whole range of different things. We've got add-ins, which are third-party options, okay, and to put on to extend the capabilities within Excel, as well as other application software as well. So I hope this has given you a good introduction to the variety of different ways application software can be actually customized. Okay, so we go into the options of the application software itself and then go through the variety of different tools, okay, that can be customized in different ways. Give it a try.